Well, welcome back to Hager's Hangout. We are doing another cooking special for today, and let's see how this one goes. I changed things up. Hopefully the camera ain't gonna overheat. The temperature is literally 10 degrees colder in this house, so I have my hat on and a whole bunch of other precautions I went ahead and implemented. So, what are we making today? We are making Oaxacan cheese stuffed Fajita chicken. Alright? So hopefully you were able to see that. That's what it's supposed to look like. And let's see how I do. We are going to go ahead and start by doing the basics. Oven's preheated. Everything's washed for the most part. And the ingredients here are cheese, sour cream, chicken breast, epicurine butter, red pepper, lime. They call this shallot. I call it onion. Purple potatoes, cheese, zolota, taco seasoning, which that's supposed to be spicy, and this is also supposed to be spicy. So let's see how I handle that. We're gonna go ahead and start by cutting up the potatoes. Looks like just in quarters. So, yep, boom. And you might be asking, where's the military knife? Well, the military knife is not as long, and even though I think this is a meat blade, it's just gonna have to do. YOLO, right? YOLO Wagen. I wanted to give it a try. Worst case scenario, I hate the food and I lose $5. But best case scenario, well, I like the food and I pick up cooking. But I wanted to have a low risk, try something new, since I'm typically not I'm not always afraid of trying new stuff. It's the fact that I don't like trying something new and then it costing me an arm and a leg. So this was an opportunity for me to try and experiment with different cooking, and I might snack on that later. I ain't gonna lie. I love peppers. Non-spicy peppers. If anyone knows me, oh yeah. Just gut out a few of these seeds. If you have any questions, comment them down below in the YouTube section, and I do look at the comments fairly frequently. Well, at this state, since I'm not a PewDiePie or someone with millions of subs, so I have that capability. So go ahead and comment your questions. Maybe you have a suggestion on something you want to have seen done by me. So just give it a try, request, and see what happens. No promises, no promises, okay? But this year, I'm trying new stuff. I'm making lots of mistakes, getting messy, and getting stuff done. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the lime peel and half the salad. Well, I already pre-peeled it for the most part, so I'm just going to half it. That is no onion. Nope, that is not an onion. I'm gonna lie, I have no idea what a salad is. Is that rotten? Baking sheet. I don't have a baking sheet. This is the last of my aluminum foil. I can't wait till I'm off of COVID restriction crap. I place all the potatoes into a bowl like this. Then I place the seasoning in like this. Whoo! Burns the eyes. Holy cow! I'm washing my hands after this one. Don't want. Oh wow! Whoo! A little bit of salt. A little bit of oil. I toss the sucker. Whoo! Wow! Whoo! Yep. Whoo! This is gonna be strong stuff. Throw it into the oven for 20 minutes. Onion. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come on. Oh yeah. The instructions have me flatten the chicken. And you know what? I hope you guys are watching, since I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see what happens. Cast iron is working. Get on back. You didn't see that. I think it's an 1/8 inch. I'll let you see the progress so far. Okay, so that's about evenly spread. Somehow you're supposed to wrap that. All right, Spanish food I'm not an expert in at all. I don't know how you wrap flattened. I don't understand it. But apparently, you just fold it over. Okay. Now I fold it up. Oh, looks good. Show you what that looks like. Okay. Now it says I need to go ahead and toss in some epic urine butter. And while I'm mixing this, oh yeah, that looks well mixed. Put that in. Alrighty, so let's see what it looks like. Inside the camera view. Yeah, I don't see why they said I should spray it with like a Pam, but cooking spray. It came off perfectly fine. Then apparently you just add sour cream and some limes, and you're good. You're golden. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what it actually looks like. Not gonna lie, fajitas, not my thing apparently. Alrighty, so we just finished eating Oaxacan cheese stuffed fajita chicken. Unless you know how to pronounce that.
Oaxacan? I don't know.
Good. What did you think?
I like spicy food. It wasn't really spicy, but the taste was okay, but it was just kind of dry for me. I don't know, maybe it's the way you cooked it, but it was too dry.
Personally?
Yeah, but nothing really special about it.
Cool.
Yeah, but the potato was really, really good. Yeah, with the cheese and all, it was really, really good. But the chicken, nothing really special about it.
I agree. I like the potato significantly more than the chicken.
Me too.
The pepper, I think, is the only thing that gave it a little kick. But I'm talking about the red pepper, not the spicy pepper. But I most likely would not make this again. I do like the potato chunks, so that I am perfectly fine making in the future. But the salmon yesterday was far better, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But we are now going on to Carmelo chocolate. Once again, this is from Ireland. I picked this up while in Ireland for a short amount of time, and I just wanted to see what Irish chocolate was like.
Let's see. I'll have this.
There we go.
Thank you.
So once again, this is from Cadbury, and the resealable container, but I'm American, so this is a one serving, not save for another day.
This looks like there is honey in there.
Ooh.
What do you think? Open it.
Oh, I see what you mean.
This is honey. Looks like honey.
Yeah, let's see if we can see this in the camera.
I'll try to read it and see.
Yep.
If it has honey in there. Nope.
So what do you think of the taste?
To me, it tastes more like kind of honey.
I don't like the texture.
It's just there. If I have to buy chocolate, I definitely wouldn't go for this.
Yeah.
I won't.
If this was on clearance sale for a quarter, I'd buy it. Anything more than 50 cents, I won't even look at it again.
Caramelo.
Yep. And for context, each of these bars were, I believe, like a buck 50 a bar. So, but I wanted to try something new cooking, new chocolates, new perspective. But this one is not a winner. Oh, thank you very much for hanging out with Hager's Hangout and with myself and Mildred. Have a nice day. Bye.